I'll put this on the. I'll upload this. Let her puke everybody out.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah, let him come out of your mouth now, buddy. Yeah. Okay, now that's, which one's that?
That was Robbie.
That's Robbie?
Uh-huh.
This is Robbie here?
Yes.
Okay.
Robert's getting it. He packed his in some
Okay,
pieces.
yeah, I see the head. Okay. Looks like Robbie is doing okay, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
That worm not wanting to stay down, Robbie? He's still trying to get it down.
Oh, this is a big, huge worm.
Well, if they don't like it, they'll puke it out. And this is the one right here that had the problem with a wing issue last Saturday, and he is doing very well now in the wild.
Oh, look at Robert.
Yeah, Robert just chowed his down.
Like a piece of spaghetti. We're very proud of him. Over to Willa.
Okay, we are now in the tree. Yep, he's he's doing okay. His wing's still a little low, but he flies well and he's okay.
Rode his storm out.